What's up everybody? Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. I have something here to review that probably most of you don't even know exists. This is a fine tuning bracket laser level adapter. This adapter here can adjust horizontally left to right, vertically up and down, 360, clockwise, counterclockwise. This adapter with your laser installed on it can attach to so many different things. It has a magnet. You can attach it to a screw in a wall. A tripod. A laser pole. It has a clamp that can open from a 1/2 inch to over 2 inches. If you have ever tried to adjust a laser level, you know how the laser line bounces around at the slightest touch. With this unit, you can easily turn knobs to precisely set lines where you want them. This unit makes setting lines for tile installation extremely quick and extremely easy. Let's quickly show you the adjustments up close and then we'll demonstrate how it works. So here it is. This is your fine tuning bracket laser level adapter. This unit is by Huepar. This is where you attach your laser. Let's quickly show you. And there you are. Let's quickly cover the adjustments. You can easily adjust the height up and down with this knob here. You can also lock it. This knob here you can adjust horizontally left to right. This knob right here allows you to adjust 360 clockwise or counterclockwise. There's a clip right here, one of the many ways to mount this bracket. It can be adjusted to clip onto something 1/2 of an inch all the way up to over 2 inches. So you have X, Y, Z, pitch, roll, yaw adjustments, which will make it effortless to dial in your laser line. Female thread, 1/4 inch, 5/8, includes an adapter here. Let's boot up the lasers and show you how well this can fine tune your laser lines. Now right here we have a 40-foot run. Adjusting things this far away is a bit difficult. Having that knob to easily and smoothly and precisely adjust the line to the door jamb here just makes it really easy. Let me show you. Well, there you go, guys. It's a little difficult to show you on camera how to fine tune your laser line with this adapter, up, down, left, right, 360, but I'm sure you get the point. This bracket offers good, smooth adjustments. It is a great design, solid feel, well constructed, great for DIYers as well as professionals. Well, that's it for this one. If you want to see future tile tool videos, consider subscribing. Most importantly, tap that bell notification down there so that you get notified when new tile tool videos go live, and I'll see you on the next one.